It's 2021 plan friend. Hey guys, happy 2021 plant friends. Happy 2021 plant friends. All right guys, so yes, it is 2021 or whatever. And I know you guys be like, there she go again. She always talking about she gonna be back and do this and do that and always that. She's just alive. But I'm back and I'm here to talk about my plants, okay, with you guys, okay? You know y'all miss me. Okay, so y'all, no one told me that when you have a kid, honey, and he start moving and stuff like that, you not gonna have no time to be with these plants, honey, okay? So as you saw in the caption, like, overcoming my plant addiction. Maybe I did have a house plant addiction. Honey, I know that pandemic, you know, during the pandemic last year. Don't it feel so good to say last year? Last year, goodbye 2020. You know, I was just buying all these plants. And I know a lot of you were too. We were just buying plants, buying plants, buying plants. It just brought so much gratification to bring that new plant in your home and watch it grow and add it to your collection. It's like plants are like addicting, right? And I was just buying plants. Y'all know, just buying plants. That money that I was using to buy all these plants that I didn't need, I could have invested it in some stock or saved it. But it's okay. We're in 2021. So, you know, like I said in one of my videos, I was talking about my plants, why I got rid of so many. Is because one, I had a son. Two, I was losing time and taking care of all these plants. Three, I overwhelmed myself. You know, sometimes I could be extreme and be like, if I find something that I really like, I'm like, oh, I need that. I need this color and that color, da 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 da. And then you get overwhelmed. You're like, I got too many of this. Time to get rid of it, okay? So I got overwhelmed with all these plants. So I started to sell them and get rid of them, give them away, all that stuff. So I even put up an extra plant shelf, 2 extra plant shelves. And I had my plants on there. They were looking beautiful. But then maybe 2 weeks ago, I was like, nope. I'm sick of that plant shelf. Take it down or let's put a nice painting up. And I love my painting. I love it, okay? So I still have a wall. I still have my original plant shelf. The 3 ones, if you guys have been keeping up with me, I still have that. I still have a lot of my plants, but I don't have as many as I did before. And I'm actually proud of myself because I was buying so many plants, buying so many of them. Why couldn't I just love on the plants that I had? Why couldn't I just be satisfied with the plants that I had? It was just like an addiction, buying all these plants that you don't need. Spending money on them. Some of these plants ain't cheap, honey. Philodendron, Rio, Cream Splash, Sparkly, Droopy, Toopy. $60 for that plant, $40 for this plant, $30. You know, it was just like, bro, I could probably open up a business with the money you spending on plants. So, yeah, I just disciplined myself. You know, I was like, I don't need no more plants. I have a son now. I don't need no more. When will it stop? What do you want to keep doing? Just buying plants, buying them back to back to back to back to back to back to back. Next thing you know, you have 200 plants in your house and you don't have nowhere to put them. Now, for those of you who can afford all these plants and have the space and just, that's you, that's you. No disrespect there. I love it. If you like it, I love it for you, honey, okay? But for me, I'm talking about me, okay? Just all these plants everywhere. I just got overwhelmed and I had to stop. So, yeah, so now I think I had 50 or 60 plants. Now I have like maybe 28 or 29 plants. And I'm going to do an update and show you an update about my houseplants. So if you're interested, keep on watching. Alright guys, so these are my 3 houseplants that I keep upstairs. My ZZ plant, my peace lily plant, and this is my Pothos. I can't remember the name. But I keep these upstairs in our guest bedroom and they are just thriving. Look at those blooms on that peace lily. Look at that ZZ and look at that Pothos. These plants are so happy up here. So yes, these are the plants I have up here. This is my neon Pothos. I have put it in a vase and the vase of water, and the roots are just growing. I'm trying to figure out if I'm going to pot it in some soil or keep it like this. But yes, this is my beautiful neon pothos. Such a beautiful, vibrant plant. And this plant is also in my guest bedroom, facing the window. Hey guys, so this is my plant wall. It is still intact, in full and beautiful. So on the first shelf I have my Hoya microphylla, my philodendron silver stripe, philodendron cream splash Rio. This is my Hoya variegated queen carnosa. I have a pothos, I have a philodendron, sebe blue, the silverian pothos. This is my philodendron neon. I have the Hoya Wayeti or Hoya something. I can't remember this one, but it's variegated. I have Hoya Princess, Exotica, philodendron Brazil, and this is my regular jade Pothos. So these plants are thriving. My plant wall is just looking full and beautiful. Check it out, check it out. A lot of them will need to be repotted soon though, but they are just thriving. I love it. This right here is one of my favorite plants, probably my most favorite one. This is my Pothos, Hawaiian Pothos. And the difference with the Hawaiian Pothos, as you see, are the yellow stems. And they have much more variegation on them. Hawaiian Pothos. Here I am. This is something I'm trying an experiment. This is jalapeno seeds. Hopefully it will grow. And these are just some cuttings from my Hoya Lisa australis and philodendron.